Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's begin with this new prawn fry recipe. The ingredients you'll be needing are 250 grams cleaned prawns, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 dry red chillies, 2 methi seeds, 1 small piece of star anise, 1 clove, 4 peppercorns, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, salt as required, oil for frying, 3/4 teaspoon cornflour and half teaspoon rice flour. Now for the preparation. Start off by heating a thick bottom pan and dry roast all the spices on a low flame. Make sure it doesn't burn. Allow it to cool and transfer to a mixie. Add the spice powder to the prawns. Before adding the spice powder to the cleaned prawns, make sure all the excess water is drained out from the prawns. Then add salt, white vinegar, and ginger garlic paste. Mix well and make sure that the prawns are evenly coated. Cover with the lid. In a plate, add cornflour and rice flour. Mix until well combined. To a heated pan, add oil. Then coat the prawns thinly with the flour mix and fry on the pan. If the prawns are coated thickly, then they will not cook properly. Fry the prawns on a medium to low flame. Cover with the lid and cook on one side. When the prawns turn golden brown, flip and cook for about 5 minutes. Do not cover with the lid. The prawns are now ready. Serve crispy and hot. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.